My father was a writer, philosopher, and spy who died a penniless alcoholic. He worked for the CIA in the Middle East, 1950s and 60s, and as an oil industry consultant. It was in Beirut, Lebanon, where he unexpectedly abandoned our family. Here's a photo of our last Christmas together in 1959. After my parents' divorce, I only saw my father 7 times before his death in 1989. I grew up in Washington, D.C., a rebellious child of the 60s, married young, and moved to Key West, Florida, 5 months pregnant with the first of our 3 children. It was having children that inspired me to find a career helping to protect the environment. Work that I discovered was diametrically opposed to my father's. He was on the ground floor of getting the U.S. hooked on cheap Middle Eastern oil. For more than 20 years, my professional efforts have focused on reducing the use of fossil fuels to mitigate the worst of what's to come with climate change. Oil became a river of connection, though my father and I stood on opposite banks of it. A Good Spy Leaves No Trace is part ghost story, part secret political history, and part memoir of my family. It is an investigation of loss, love, oil, and the alternatives. A story that is both personal and political.
A Good Spy Leaves No Trace by Anne E. Tazewell will be available on September 1st at all major booksellers. Pre-orders are available now.